to the button, but it's got a speed and an oscillation on the back of this square right here. I got it on like 2 right now, and oscillation's full. But yeah, like you can't hurt these things. They just function. I probably have like 15 of them legitimately. 4, 8, 12. Yeah, I got probably about 15, 16 of these fans, and they're phenomenal. I went through about 10 Mars Hydro fans, and they were garbage, absolute garbage. I threw one out today actually. I noticed it stopped working in the tent, right? For how long it stopped working, I don't know. But that's the kind of shit you get with Mars Hydro. They just stop working, and you have no idea. These things are great. I could wire this if I had the controller, which I do on the tents. You wire it right to your phone, so I can set the settings. I can set this oscillation, set the speed right from my phone. Never even have to touch the fan itself. Yeah, I can't speak highly enough about the company itself and the fans. Just amazing.